Hey guys, today I have my FabFitFun winter unboxing for you guys, and I have partnered with FabFitFun to do this video for you guys. Partnering with them means that they've sent me this for review purposes. It does not mean that I am sponsored by them. I just want that to be clear because some people get confused a little. So I am going to tell you guys that I filmed this already, and I am using a new microphone, which I'm not used to. And my microphone fell to the floor and I didn't realize it. So then when I was trying to edit the video, you can't hear jiddly squats in it. So I am retaking this from the start. So all of these products have been opened because I already unboxed it, but you can't hear absolutely any kind of audio, which is so annoying, but you live, you learn. And I'm gonna jump right into this because this is my second time filming it. Let me know if you guys see a difference in the quality of audio. It's supposed to, like, you should hear me clearer and louder, especially because my son is sleeping. I tend to talk lower, and you can definitely tell in my other videos because of the fact that, you know, he's sleeping, so I'm not talking at my normal tone of voice, or I'm not talking loud enough for the camera itself to actually, you know, hear my voice. And so you can actually tell in my videos that it's like way lower than what it's supposed to. Anyway, so since I already opened the box, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what the magazine looks like. It always has a magazine in here that goes through all of the different products, and it also has a lot of articles that are very helpful. For those who don't know, FabFitFun is a seasonal box. It has like lifestyle, beauty, all kinds of different products in it, and it is customizable for some people. There are certain things that you can customize, and there are people who have like the annual subscription that can customize almost everything in there, and then there's some products that come standard with the box itself. So it has a little bit of everything, which I really like. Some of the stuff is a little bit on the pricey side. Some of it is something that I would be willing to pay, things like that. So definitely, I kind of share my opinion of different things with you, but I do feel like the overall value of the box is really good. So gonna go ahead and jump in again. So a lot of these things are open because, like I said, I already went through this box once. So I do like to kind of go through the different options that you would have if you were customizing it in that whole thing. So the first thing that's in here is for select members only. It says that if you have an annual membership, the things that are in the purple boxes, the dark purple, are things that you are going to be able to customize. If you're just a regular member, then these here you'll be able to customize, and then these here in green are going to come in every single box. So the value of this winter box is $2.90 to $3.35. So that is definitely, you know, almost 3 times what it's actually worth, or what you pay out of pocket. So that is amazing. They do give me a $10 off coupon code down below. I do not make anything from this coupon code. It's for your benefit only. I know a lot of people are like, no, you make money. I will disclose if I make any kind of money, any compensation from a company. I do tell you, I've been upfront and honest with you guys from the get-go, and I have always, you know, disclosed. My Boxycharm one is one that I do make money if you use that link, and I say it in my video, and I also leave it in the down bar. This is one that it's only for your benefit. I don't make anything from it. The only thing that they do give me is the seasonal boxes and the add-ons. They do send those to me for me to make videos and reviews for you guys. So just want to put that out there, just a disclaimer. Anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and jump in. So the first one, the Mark and Graham color block throw. It can either be in gray with ivory or natural with ivory. So one side has one color and the other has the other. It's a woven throw, and it's $49. And this is gonna probably come for annual members. It's only select ones that will randomly get it in their box. So this is what it looks like. It's gray, and then it's white on the other side. And I think that when I opened this is when I knocked down my microphone. So then it has these white stripes on there too. This seems very cozy and really nice for like when you're cuddly on the couch and things like that. And it does have like little fringes too. So I'm always about throws. I absolutely love and adore them. Next thing, for members, you can customize either having a Bearpaw combo set with has like a headband and gloves for $45, or the Moroccan Gold Series treatment mats, which is worth $49. So one of them is like for your hair, it's like for the argan oil and keratin, and it's supposed to help split ends, strengthen hair. I got the Bearpaw combo set. It has a headband, which is super cute, and I think that even though I live in Florida, I think I'll be able to use this. Is this not like, I don't know, I think that this is super cute, and I think that people who live in like cold weather will really love this because it'll keep like your ears nice and warm. So I think that this looks super cute. It's like a little turban that you can use. And then what I really thought was super cool are the gloves. So these gloves look like this, and they have a little button here, and then I'm gonna actually put one on so you guys can see it. So it covers your thumb, and then you have your fingers available to actually grasp things, you know, use your phone and that whole thing. But since it is cold for people who live in cold areas, then you can disconnect this from the little button here, and ta-da! You can cover your fingers. I thought that that was super cute. I don't know if it's because I don't live in cold weather that I've never seen something like this before, but I thought that this is super adorable. I once went to, we have a thing that comes every year at a hotel here called Ice, where they bring like ice sculptures, and it's very, very beautiful to go into, but it's freezing. And then you want to take pictures a lot of time with your phone, and so you're taking off the glove and then putting it back on. And I think that this is so innovative because you literally don't have to take off your glove. You can like use your phone or do whatever you need to do and then cover your hand back up. So this is super, super cute. So if you live anywhere where it's cold, I definitely recommend this. This looks very, very good quality. It's super cute, and then you get the headband too, so it's like a 2-in-1. It's super adorable. Unless you really need some treatment for your hair, then definitely go with the mask. So next thing that you can customize is either a jewelry portfolio, a dry shampoo, or the silver circle necklace. The portfolio is worth $48. The dry shampoo $44, or the necklace is $49. That's when I was telling you guys that some of the things are pretty pricey, but this is it's silver plated. And then the dry shampoo, I think that this is really what it's worth. I think that brand is pretty pricey as far as, you know, things for hair. So the jewelry portfolio is what I got, and it's gold, and this is what it looks like. And I already went through this the first time I recorded this, but this is to hold up to 5 rings. Here you can hold up to 8 pair of earrings, and then it has a little pouch here, like a little zipper pouch. And then it has this to kind of like protect them so they don't tarnish against each other. And then you can take, you know, it says 6 necklaces, but I think that you can like double up on some of these. And then you can put 5 more rings down here. I know my mom is gonna steal this for me because she travels more than I do, so she's probably going to steal this for traveling. This is amazing. I absolutely love the idea of this. I don't know, you know, who came up with it, but it's absolutely cool. I've never seen something like this for traveling, and we at least travel once to twice a year, so this is very, very helpful. I think it's super, really like a cool idea, so I was really excited to see that. The next thing that you can pick or customize is either a Pure Be Your Selfie palette by Pure. Obviously it's $36. These look very beautiful, like a very warm tone palette. Looks very nice. The Sherry Matthews Acupuncture Jade Stone Roller, which is $45, or the Richer Pour Reina Over the Knee Textured Socks. So if you live in cold places, maybe you'd want these $24 over the knee socks. I got the Acupuncture Jade Stone Roller. It says that it's supposed to give you energy. You're supposed to put on your moisturizer with it. This is the box. Oh, this is the box that it came in, and this person who made this is Sherry Williams. Oh my God, what am I thinking? Cherry Matthews, and she is a celebrity acupuncturist and herbalist. So she's the one who came up with this, and this is actually what it looks like when you open the box. I have to say this is super weighted. You can definitely tell that there's jade in here, and probably why it's so pricey, but it feels super cold to the touch. So I think that this is going to be really nice to apply my moisturizers with at night. Obviously I don't think I'll have the time in the morning to use it, but we'll see. Next is things that can be customized by the annual members. So select members will be able to pick between these three, and it's either the Bite Beauty Amuse Bosch lipstick in merengue, coasters, like a 4-piece of coasters, or the Brooke Burke body sliders, which are $18, which are like kind of like what people put on the floor to slide their feet to do certain exercises. And it says that you can actually follow her along on FabFitFun TV and do workouts with Brooke Burke. So I think that these are all cute. I actually got the lipstick, which I'm super happy about. The coasters look super cute if you're really into kind of like that woodsy kind of theme for your house, or if you're like really into working out and you don't want to use towels on your floor or whatever, because I've seen people use towels to improvise. You could definitely use these. So those are the different options, and I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the lipstick. The lipstick is so beautiful. Like, this shade is amazing. If you love Bite lipstick, then I would definitely say go for the Bite lipstick if you're going to go ahead and customize it. So this is the shade right there, and it's just like this beautiful pinky nude that is gorgeous. So I'm super excited to use that. I feel like this is a lipstick that I will give a lot of love to. So yeah, so the next thing in here is the Way of Will Elevate Essential Oil Set, which has sweet orange and eucalyptus oil for $31, or the Anthropology and Mercy and Company Sea Whip Body Cream and Coconut Sugar. So both of these look amazing. This one's worth $24. These two are $31. If you've seen me for a while, I've mentioned this quite a few times. I am a love of essential oils. So I was super happy to see that I got the essential oils. This is what it looks like right here. These are this is the box, the packaging. So it has revitalizing eucalyptus and sweet orange. I absolutely love eucalyptus, especially when I'm sick. So these will definitely come in handy. And they smell so good. And the sweet orange is one that I haven't tried before, and it definitely has like a really strong orangey smell to it. So I really like that. It says that eucalyptus is good for sore muscles, cold symptoms, and sweet orange is actually good for stomach cramps and headaches. So definitely will be trying that out. And it actually has on page 20, it says all the different ways that you can actually use the essential oils. So definitely when you're looking into this, check in the magazine, because a lot of times it will give you, you know, how to use something, how other ways you can use it, or, you know, if it's a fashion item, you know, how to style it and things like that. So the last three things down here are the things that are going to come in every single box. First thing is the Thrive Cosmetics Brilliant Eye Brightener in Stella, which is $24. It's a it's kind of like an all-in-one. It's a highlighter, so you can use it on your cheeks. It says it's good for the waterline. You can use it on the inner corner, or you can use it as a brow bone highlight, or actually even use it as a base for your eyeshadow, like an all-over eyelid color. And also, the second thing is in here is the Ahava Hydration Cream Mask. This is $33. It's a vitamin E shea butter mineral spring water mask, and it says that you can either like leave it on 3 to 5 minutes and rinse it off, or leave it on all night, so to get like super hydration. And then the last thing is the Black Hydrogel Eye Mask with hyaluronic acid, and it's for under eye if you're like puffy, swollen. It has charcoal, and it's $29. It says to leave them 10 to 15 minutes, and those are like those little pads that you put underneath your eye. So this is what the masks look like. I haven't opened it. That was the only thing that I didn't open on the first time around, that my microphone dropped. And hopefully this microphone is working, because I'm going to be pretty upset if this time around it's not. Okay, so this doesn't really have like any smell to it. The mask doesn't. And these these little eye patches, there's there's like a 5-pack in here, so there's 5 different ones for 5 different uses. And then the Thrive Cosmetics is one that I've been curious about. I've heard quite a few people talk about it. And this is actually, it says that the shelf life on here is 24 months. So this can last you quite a while. And this is what that looks like. So it absolutely looks very stunning and beautiful. It looks very, you know, like pigmented on there. So I'm excited to test this out and see what it looks like actually like on the waterline. Or let me see if I put on a little bit like on the brow bone and see if it'll show up nicely on camera. Do you guys see that? So this looks absolutely beautiful. Definitely will be playing with this. I've heard a lot about Thrive Cosmetics, but I've yet to try anything, so this is going to be my first time. And then there's also some gift cards in here for different things. Like you can give a friend a $10 off their first FabFitFun, or there's also a HelloFresh, like a coupon for that if you're willing to try that as well. So that is everything that is in the winter box. Let me know what you guys think, what you're looking forward to, what you're not looking forward to. I'd love to hear from you guys. And I hope that this was helpful for you guys. I try to go through everything that's in the magazine as far as like the other selections, just in case you're still in the selection process, which is one of the reasons that they send the influencers the boxes ahead of time, is so that you guys can see what's coming, you can see the different products, and also, you know, kind of decide if you're customizing yours. So thank you guys so much for all your love and support. I am super happy that you guys have been really like into my videos more lately. I don't know if it's because I've been uploading more consistently, but I really have feel the love lately. And let me know what you guys think of the microphone. I'm hoping that this time, fingers crossed, the sound is okay because it's still attached here, so I haven't dropped it on the floor like I did the first time. Anyways, thank you guys so much. Thank you for subscribing. If you're not subscribed, definitely hit that little button down below. Thank you guys. I love you guys. And until next time, bye guys.